Hi, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to detect motion with your computer's camera and then save it to disk. If you haven't checked the first part of this tutorial where I set up the camera and streamed the video to all the local network devices, please check the video link in the description. Before diving into the code, let me explain the mechanism for motion detection. I will use an image hashing algorithm called average hash. The hash of a video frame is a unique numerical identifier used to identify and track the contents of a video frame. Different frames of the same video will have different hashes, and hashes can be used to compare and track changes between frames. For example, the hash of this video frame is this value, and the hash of another video frame is this other value. If we compare two frames of a video with something that has been altered, the chances of having the same hash are very slim. I can demonstrate how a computer works out the average hash. Firstly, it will convert your image to grayscale. It is then resized to 8 by 8 pixels. Afterwards, it changes all gray tones into either black or white, depending on how light or dark a pixel is. We divide the image into 16 groups of 4 pixels and we represent each group with a hexadecimal number, resulting in a total of 16 numbers at the end. With the groundwork of our last tutorial done, let's start working on the code by creating a few variables to store the hashes and total frames captured. Additionally, let's add some setup variables at the start of the file. After that, the crucial step is to calculate the image hashes, and compare them for any difference. If there is a change in the frames, we document it by saving it in a file. Before wrapping up, we need to include the necessary libraries at the start of our program. The sensitivity of the motion detector is adjustable with the capture threshold variable. Additionally, the minimum length of each video can be set with min capture frames, and save folder contains a path to the directory where videos will be stored. This line calculates the average hash value of the video frame. The similarity variable holds a numerical value that indicates the disparity between two frame video hashes. Once this amount surpasses the capture threshold, it will start recording. The file name contains the current date and time. Every frame is added to video until it reaches the minimum frames that we defined, or if motion continues, then recording will persist. It's time to put our program to the test. I run it. Move my hand in front of the camera, and voila, motion detected messages show up in the log. That confirms everything is working right. Now let's access the video feed to confirm that recording is taking place, and indeed it is. Everything looks great. We have now reached the end of this tutorial. The following section will alert us when motion is detected. Show your support by liking and subscribing so you don't miss out on what's going on.